In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Stan Store account. So it may be unfortunate, but the first thing you need to do is to head over to www.stan.store. Now, since you're actually trying to delete your account, it must mean that you already have it. So proceed to click on this login option. If you're new to Stan Store instead, just proceed to sign up or click on continue right here in order to create your account. So let's proceed now. If you want to delete your Stan Store, proceed to log in. Here is my dashboard. Now, once you have logged in, head over to the settings. You can find it on your left sidebar right here. Now, once you have clicked on it, you can find this settings right here. Click on the security tab. From in there, you can see your login sessions. So from in there, you can just scroll down and you can find the request account deletion. You can find in here this delete my account option. So proceed to click onto this part right here. Then in here, deletion takes up to 7 days and you won't be able to have access to your account using this. If you ever change your mind, you can email friends@standwith.me. If you're still decided to actually delete your store, just proceed to type in here delete in caps lock or big letters and click on this permanently delete my account. So proceed right here if you're actually sure. But if you already deleted it and you change your mind within 7 days, you can email this particular email that we have into this part right here. So if you're already decided, just wait for 7 days for the deletion to take effect. So that's all there is today. I hope this video actually helped you out. And if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.